Alright, y'all, I ain't never baked a cake before. Well, maybe one time, but you know. Anyway, this is a box cake, and I don't know, y'all. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I mean, I think it feel moist. Let's see what this do. My batter was kind of coming through at the bottom. Pull some of that out. Ooh. Okay. Okay, you're getting somewhere. I'm nervous. So what I want to do is cut it halfway in the middle, and then I want to layer it with some icing, and then I want to put that back on top, and then put some more icing on top. Let's see how that gonna work out. Welcome to Cooking with Kerri. Oh, it's still kind of warm, y'all. It's been 30 minutes since my cake. Should I wait a little longer, y'all? Ooh. A little rough around the edges, but it's alright. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna cut it like right in the halfway mark. Pray for me. Let's see what kind of knife I need to use. I don't even know. I guess a serrated knife, maybe. That's kind of. I don't know what to do. Let's see. If I put this back on and flip it over. How to work this thing. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's 10:30 at night. I'm gonna make all this noise. So let's try it. Okay, I'm gonna put a piece of. Let's try that way. I need one of them spinny things, you know. But we're gonna work with what we got. Is it going through the other side, y'all? I don't know. Oh, I think I'm making a mess. Okay, that's a good sign. There ain't no cake batter in there, so that means it's cooked all the way through. Okay, here we go. Here goes the. Okay, let me set me one piece of. There. Put that piece. Look at that, y'all. Is that too dry? I don't know. It look kind of moist. Look. Sure. Okay. Sweet Magnolia who? Baby! Come see! It might be a little dry, y'all. I don't know. We're gonna see. Okay. Okay, so I got me some Pillsbury strawberry frosting. I was talking to your daddy. Go tell your daddy. Tell your daddy I don't know what I'm doing with this cake, but I'm gonna try some.
What are you doing?
That smells good. That smells good. Okay, let me
You
get it.
finna ruin that cake.
Really, Ethan?
Just kidding.
I'm not gonna ruin this cake. Oh my.
Can I do it too?
The
Can I put the icing on?
go get some gloves.
Oh, sure.
The faith he has in his mother.
Do I only need one or two?
Two.
What that?
Look, I cut my cake in half. I don't know. Is that it look kind of dry? What you think? Look, it look good.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm doing a 2-layer. Huh?
Whip that icing up so it'll be a little easy.
Oh, whip it up. Whip it, whip it, whip it. Okay, okay. I'm
Can
learning.
I spread it now?
Yeah, sister, let me hit it.
Spread it. Hold on. This way. Hold it. There you go. Come here. Ethan gonna come over here and say, "You about to ruin that cake." Focus on what you
I didn't
doing.
know what you was doing.
Did that make it a little easy to spray it?
You did.
You're gonna flip that over, right?
Huh?
When you put that layer on there, you're gonna flip it over. You ain't gonna put the round part on there.
Oh, that's what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to cut that blue part out.
You ain't gotta cut it off, just flip it over.
Okay. You've been watching Granny, huh? Hold on. Let me give you some more ice. You ain't gotta. You can use it out. We're gonna use it out, baby.
You kind of make me want to put my beans and stuff together while I'm in here.
Let me go ahead and put this layer on, and I'm gonna let you do the top layer, okay?
Can I do?
Can y'all do over there? I'm gonna go ahead and put my
You're
beans.
gonna do that layer, and I'm gonna do
Hold
this
on, baby.
layer.
Move. You gonna wait right until I start recording to make me move.
That smells like strawberry.
It is strawberry, baby.
Smells
Yeah,
like.
he not watching TV.
Of course.
And he need
Ethan,
to
get
be
your
in-
nose out there.
And he need to be in here learning a trade. G.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the sides when we get the top on, okay? So I'm gonna put the top back on. Daddy said I'm gonna flip it this way.
Why?
That way. Ooh, we got a 2-layer cake, baby. Hold up.
Y'all
Hold
did
up.
that?
Don't you stick your finger in the one. Yeah.
Who put the icing on?
Me and Ethan. So now me and Ethan finna put the rest of it on.
Now what did me and Daddy gonna make?
Some beans and stuff. Okay.
Oh,
Let me put it on the top, and then I'm gonna let you put it on the sides, okay?
Okay.
That way we can spread it out. Hey, I started this thing cooking with Kerri.
Mom, can I try?
Okay.
Can I try that batter?
Can you what?
Try the batter. Try that.
The frosting. Leave that knife alone.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Wait till I get we done icing it, and then you can have it cooked. I should have bought another thing of icing. Hold on, baby.
Oh, you can always
Here's
ice
some
the
beans
middle.
right here, Daddy.
and put it together, and you can always
Get some more icing.
yeah.
Okay.
Did you put enough icing in the milk?
I think so.
Here's some beans right here. Can I do the other side?
Hold on. Let me get it at least spread all the way across the top, so I know we can put some at a time. Don't put that glove on your head, baby. You're gonna have to get another glove.
I have to get a ringworm.
Them taters, they right behind you, baby.
I'm gonna have to get another ringworm.
Ring? What?
Remember when I
A glove, baby.
Remember when I had
We ain't gonna talk about that, okay, on camera.
play?
Okay, here, Ethan. Hey, stop. Start spreading around the sides, okay? Don't waste it. Hurry up.
Come on, real good.
There you go. Come on. Get it in there. Don't do it too hard now.
I need it.
Hold up, wrong way.
Now you don't need no glue.
Okay, we're gonna spread out. Cause we're gonna get some more icing tomorrow, okay? Hold up. Okay.
We used them.
Hold on, let it go. Let me go ahead and put this on, okay? Cause in the end, I'm gonna let you smooth it out for me, okay? To make it pretty, like, cause you watching Granny, so Granny, you know how to do it like Granny do it, right? Okay. So let me put it on there, and then I'm gonna let you smooth it out. Okay.
Give me one when you watch it.
Can I do it?
Hey, you gotta do what you doing over there.
I just leave it up.
Spin, 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 spin.
Can I do this one outside?
Yeah. Man, you gotta go back over there and help cook the cake.
I'm going to.
He's going to.
Daddy, can I put the stuff in the pot? I need to split.
You need to get you another glove, baby. You've been over there washing dishes.
Washing tires.
Washing taters.
My name is not like. Yeah, it's not taters.
I said you've been washing taters.
You get us some kids.
Little Jimmy.
Please stop.
That look pretty good.
Ethan smoothed it out yet?
Not yet. I gotta finish putting it on. Oh, I gotta make sure I hit every side. I ain't quite got every side yet.
That might be important.
Stop, Ethan. Don't. Now go get another glove. You know what? Take the glove off. You can't be putting your hand in my head, baby, with the glove on.
Ow, ow, you sitting on my foot.
I'm sorry.
Get a pot out of that.
The pot.
Look in the other drawer. Okay, there go that big pot right there. Okay, you gotta get the lid. No, we don't need the lid. Did you wash your hands? Huh?
Yes, sir.
When?
Right after I put the potatoes.
Boy, you ain't wash your hands.
After I cleaned the potatoes.
Get some gloves.
Where are they?
In the
gloves.
in the drawer with the band-aids. Okay. You ready, Ethan, to come smooth? Get your another glove. Get your another glove.
You said I can't have one.
Okay, I'm telling you to go and get you one.
You said it.
But they know how to use it. They sure be throwing it back at you, don't they?
Speaking of it. We are married in the Rich Mix channel too.
Amen,
Why did I
amen.
get the GoPro?
Because I had it broken down. I was putting videos on my computer. Here.
That's good. What taste?
It does taste good.
You didn't eat no cake?
Daddy, can I help you with the knife?
See? Your shoulder, is it?
Okay, give it to me. That is really good. Everybody gotta do it.
Ethan already did it. You don't like strawberry?
Look.
You don't like strawberry?
Boy, you know that's good.
It does taste good. You don't like my cake? I was gonna eat the cake tomorrow.
You don't eat strawberry. Remember?
Oh yeah.
You forgot?
Next time, can we make a chocolate cake?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm making another strawberry cake.
You gotta go to Granny's house. You want chocolate cake? We a strawberry cake family around here.
Oh, look at Ethan, Mama. Look at Ethan doing the sides.
That is clean, FYI.
I ain't doing nothing to it.
I'm like a professional chef.
You're a professional chef.
Oh, it looks like I am.
Sure does. But you left a potato. You missed one.
Throw that in the trash. You got a spot on it.
Good job, Ethan. Hi, here's our cake.
Can I lick the icing on?
Yeah, go ahead. Don't put it back on there. Good, huh?
Wanna lick it?
Do I want to lick it?
I time with this side.
Yeah, thanks. I appreciate it for flipping it over.
Can I take it to the side? It's a big lick.
A big lick. Okay.
How much did you use on this side?
All right, that's it with cooking with Kerri.
There you go, boy. That's what I'm talking about.
What you cooking there, Mr. G?
I don't know, but I'm just cooking. Look like some meat and some vegetables.
Oh, okay. What is it going in?